Hello, people of the interwebs. Today we're going to answer one of the biggest questions on the internet, how to cook rice. My name's Chef Cash White, and I'm here today because God has delivered me from my circumstances and put me in a place where I can share my love of food with you. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be answering one of the biggest questions. How do I cook perfect rice? It's very simple if you follow these certain steps. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start off with a ratio. The ratio is 2 to 1. That is 2 cups of water to 1 cup of rice. If you want to do 2 cups of rice, you do 4 cups of water. It's just a 2 to 1. So right here, I've already started the boiling of the 2 cups of water. It's heating up right now. Now in the meantime, I've measured out 1 cup of rice and I'm going to pour it in my fine strainer. And this is a very important part of the step. We're going to rinse all the excess starch off of this rice. It's covered in this fine starchy dust, and we want to get all that off of the rice so the rice won't stick together. We're going to rinse it right here until the water in the bottom comes out nice and clear. It takes a minute and a half, maybe 2. Get your hands down in there, stir it around, getting all that starch off of the rice. All right, so we're going to take a look at some of this water. If you look, pretty clear, so it's about right. Take this out and strain it off. See how we're doing over here. We got a nice boil. Remember the 2 to 1 ratio? We got 2 cups of water boiling. We're gonna pour our rice in. I'm going to add a little pat of butter and a pinch of salt. Give that a stir. As soon as this gets back up to a boil, we're gonna cover it, turn it down to medium-low, and let it sit for 18 minutes. All right, so our rice has been on for exactly 18 minutes. We're gonna kill that fire underneath it. If you have an electric stove, take it directly off of the heat at that point and uncover. Now the question is, did you peek while it was cooking? You shouldn't have. If you take a look at this, you have some amazing fluffy rice. Get you a fork, get down in there, fluff it up a little bit, let the air get in there. Nothing's burned to the bottom. Perfectly cooked rice. You wanna let it sit over on the side for about 3 or 4 minutes, and you're ready to serve. That's the way to perfectly cook rice. Guys, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, or testimonies, leave them down in the comments below. Please don't forget to click subscribe, and the most important part of the reason why we do these videos is to remind you of this. Keep the faith, enjoy the food. Love you guys, thank you. Now we wait. This is the best part of the Chef Cash White series is that you guys don't have to do all the waiting that we guys have to, if we guys is the right way to say it.